Hey there! Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that Rust developers encounter. In this scenario, we have a crate with a temporary file wrapper, another crate with an async retrying wrapper, and a third crate with a download function into a temporary file. The problem arises when we try to create a retrying download function due to issues with multiple mutable borrows of a temporary file. Now, let's delve into the solution provided for this problem. By changing the signature of the retry function and leveraging async function traits, we can address the borrowing issue. The key lies in modifying the retry function to accept Async FnMut traits, paving the way for using async closure seamlessly. This adjustment allows us to overcome the borrowing constraints and ensures smoother execution of the retrying download function. Building on the solution, the next step involves utilizing the updated retry function in the context of the download with retry function. By employing the async closure with the download function call awaited, we can integrate the retry mechanism effectively. This approach enables us to handle retries in downloading files without encountering mutable borrow conflicts, enhancing the functionality of our codebase. In summary, we address the problem of multiple mutable borrows in Rust by adjusting the retry function and implementing async function traits. This solution empowers us to create a retrying download function seamlessly, enhancing the robustness of our code. I hope you found this explanation helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!